Okay, good luck, Danish Fareed. Next candidate, registration number 7.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Alhamdulillah.
कैसी है तैयारी आपकी?
इंशाल्लाह सर अच्छी है.
Good. What is meant by RF value?
Sir, RF stand for retention factor or retardation factor, and it is the ratio of the distance traveled by its part divided by distance traveled by solvent. Its value ranges from 0 to 1.
Right one. Okay. What type of factors can affect the RF value in the paper chromatography? Can you tell me the names?
Multiple factors which affect. Yes, sir. There are multiple factors which affect RF value. Among them, the most prominent are particle size. The quality of the paper, pH, and the other most important factor which affect RF value is temperature.
All right. Okay, you have to separate out the mixture of amino acids through the TLC. What type of setup you will maintain for separation? Have you got this question?
Sir, kindly repeat the question.
Okay, you have to separate out the mixture of amino acids through TLC. What type of setup you will maintain for separation?
Right, sir. For this, separating amino acids through TLC, we will take mobile phase, normally non-polar one. Stationary phase, non-polar stationary phase, and a polar mobile phase.
Good. Okay, where generally we use the ascending paper chromatography in college lab rather than the descending. What is the reason behind this?
I'm not fully sure about this, that why we use mainly this, but in my opinion, generally we use this as the setup for ascending chromatography in the normal college lab is simple. That's why we go through this.
Can you tell me the drawbacks of descending technique?
Descending techniques? No, sir. I know the advantage of descending technique, because in descending technique, along with capillary action, gravity is also involved in separation, so it is quick and efficient. But as such drawbacks, I don't know about the drawback of it.
Okay. Which chromatography technique is your favorite?
TLC.
TLC. Okay. How can you prepare the slurry in TLC?
Slurry, the most commonly we used to prepare in the lab by mixing it with the water. The binder and the support material combinedly mixed in water, and then paste it on TLC plate through pouring, spraying, or any other method.
Okay, Dr. Saab, kindly ask me questions.
Tell me something about theoretical plates related to HPLC. Yes, sir. Theoretical plates, mathematically, theoretical plates come from the concept of plate theory. According to plate theory, columns is theoretically assumed that columns is made from small plates-like structure. So theoretical plate is equal to high. Actually, sir, it is related to the efficiency of the column. Column having greater theoretical plate, greater will be the efficiency. How we can increase the number of theoretical plates? By increasing the length of the column. Only. And decreasing the diameter of the column.
Excellent, Mr. Farouk.
Thank you, sir.
Maximum you use the English medium, and that's the good. Registration number 01. Are you here? Okay. 06.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. How are you, Khalda?
Alhamdulillah, sir. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Okay. Do you know about size exclusion chromatography?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Size exclusion chromatography is a type of chromatography in which we separate the separate the wanted compound on the basis of size, sir.
On the basis of size. Okay. What is the basic mechanism of separation behind the size exclusion chromatography?
Yes, sir. Small sizes pass through the stationary phase lately, and large molecules pass quickly, so we separate out large in smaller molecules.
Okay. Can you separate out the polar compound through GC? Is it possibility?
Sorry, sir. I can't say about it.
Okay.
In chromatography, can we use liquids as stationary phase? Yes, sir. In liquid chromatography, we use liquid in stationary phase. For example, in paper chromatography, we use water as a liquid, but with the help of supporting material, silica or paper. Okay, excellent. Okay. And what are immiscible solvents? Immiscible solvents are that are not mixed into each other. So, for example, in hexane and water. And one more question: what is difference between selectivity and specificity? Yes, sir. In selectivity, we choose one from among all. For example, we choose our analyte from impurities, and in specificity, there is no interference of another background material. We select only one material. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Candidate registration number 1, Sabai Jas. Are you prepared today?
Yes, sir.
How many types of chromatography?
Sir, there are different types of chromatography.
Can you divide into major classification?
For example, yes, sir. Gas chromatography and liquid chromatography.
Okay. What is meant by GC?
The gas chromatography in the stationary phase is a liquid that is coated on a solid spot or a capillary column. And here the mobile phase is inert gas that may be helium or nitrogen. And this is used for the separation of volatile and semi-volatile compounds.
What is meant by radial chromatography?
Radial chromatography that is used in a circular filter paper. The separation of solutes that rounds in every dimension. There is a wick that is dipped in the mobile phase, and with the help of the capillary action, the mobile phase separates, and all the analytes or solutes separate in circular filter.
Okay. What is the major driving force behind the radial chromatography?
Sorry, it's a capillary action.
Is it major?
Sorry, sir. I am not confirmed about it.